How to turn off comment on TikTok post. Hello everyone and welcome to TikTok. To turn off comment on TikTok, make sure you have downloaded a TikTok app and it is updated to its latest version. So now open TikTok. To turn off comment on TikTok post, you should alter this setting before uploading a post. So to do this, let me create a post. So to create a post, tap on this plus icon located on bottom middle of your screen. So let me click random photo and let's create post out of it. So tap on next. So to turn off comment on TikTok post, what you need to do is here in middle of your screen you will find this icon more options. So tap on it and then you will see this pop up. So here on privacy settings you will find this icon allow comment. So if this thing is turned on, you will get comments on your post. So make sure you turn it off to turn off comments on your post. To do this, simply tap on it. Now after turning it off, you can simply edit your post and post it on TikTok. This is all you need to do to turn off comments on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.